First, select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. Draw a rectangle behind your text, ensuring it's big enough to frame your text nicely. With the rectangle selected, look at the Properties panel on the right. Find the Corners option and increase the radius to make the corners rounded. Adjust it to your liking for a smooth, modern look. Now let's add a drop shadow to the rectangle. Go to the Layer Styles, click on Drop Shadow. Once in the drop shadow, follow these settings. Once you've got your settings, click OK. Right-click here and select Create Layer. This step separates the shadow from the rectangle, allowing us to manipulate it independently. Click on the newly created shadow layer. Press Ctrl+T to enter free transform mode. Right-click on the shadow and select Warp. Now use the warp handles to shape the shadow and give it a dynamic, flowing appearance. Adjust it to match your design style. And that's it! You've created a stunning magic shadow effect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.